Security operatives cordoned off the Benue State Judicial Avenue, housing the governorship election petition tribunal, as early as 7 a.m., ahead of the final judgment in the tribunal. Counsels to the PDP, its candidate, and the Benue State governor are present in court. The People's Democratic Party and its governorship candidate, Mr. Titus Uba, argued that Governor Hyacinth Alia and his deputy, Mr. Sam Ode, were not qualified to contest the governorship election at the time of the conduct of the exercise. They also alleged that the deputy governor presented a forged certificate to the Independent National Electoral Commission and should be disqualified. However, the three-man panel of justices led by Justice Ibrahim Karaye maintained that the tribunal did not have the jurisdiction to hear the issues raised by the petitioners before the tribunal, adding that they were pre-election matters. The unanimous decision of the tribunal also dismissed the petition that borders on alleged forgery, stating that the petitioners failed to prove the allegation.
In today's judgment, you can see that all the issues that were tabled by the respective parties, both the petitioners and the respondents, were all resolved. So in effect, they have affirmed the decisions of the good people of Benue State, which they came up with on the 18th of March by electing Reverend Father Alia as the governor of Benue State.
For the benefit of the doubt, the tribunal decided to look into the merits. And in looking into the merits, the tribunal established that the allegations were unfounded and the volume of proof under our jurisprudence with regards to the complaint about forgery, they were not able to prove them. They were required to have proved it beyond reasonable doubt. All their pieces of evidence were unconnected and were not strong enough to meet the requirements of the law.
Counsel to the PDP and its governorship candidate, Mr. Uba, declined to comment on the judgment. However, the deputy governor wants the petitioners to join hands with the state government to bring development to the state.
We thank our supporters for standing firmly behind us, for their goodwill, and for our opponents, we ask them to join us so that we can begin governance of the state. We need to move forward. It is time to move on now.
The petitioners have 14 days to file an appeal, which should be dispensed within the next 60 days.